So how old is he?
We have no idea because he came as a
Stray.
stray. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you are funny. Come on, man. Come, make you pretty. And roll over, and then we see your funny little legs. Is that where we see your funny little legs? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, dear.
Witbank's own little fat cat.
Yeah. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Come. Man, you are funny.
How much would you say he weighs?
The last time we weighed him, he was 11 kilograms, and he's heavier now.
Wow.
So he must be about 12, maybe.
And his diet?
Pellets.
Just pellets.
He won't eat anything else. I've given him raw fish, I've given him cooked fish, I've given him ham,
Okay.
I've given him liver, cooked, and he only wants pellets. Yeah. Quite happy with